Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Smash that subscribe button. Today's topic is wild. Imagine if you could invest in your favorite YouTuber like a stock, get VIP perks, and help them ditch ads forever. Sounds like a fantasy? Nope, it's called social tokens, the secret weapon changing how creators get paid. Let's dive in. Okay, quick crypto 101 without the jargon headache. Social tokens are basically digital fan club memberships powered by blockchain. Think of them as coins branded to a creator or community. Buy one, and suddenly you've got access to exclusive stuff. Private Discord chats, early merch drops, even voting on what they create next. How? Creators mint these tokens on platforms like Rally or Roll, no coding needed. Fans trade them, hold them, and boom! You're not just a fan, you're a stakeholder. No, it's not monopoly money. These tokens gain real value based on demand. Creator blowing up? Your tokens might too. Just don't spend them all on pizza. Here's why creators are obsessed. First, sayonara middlemen. Platforms like YouTube take 45% of ad revenue. Ouch. With social tokens, creators earn directly from their biggest fans. Second, engagement goes nuclear. Token holders aren't just commenting. They're in a VIP club. Imagine voting on a musician's next single or unlocking a gated podcast episode. Third, revenue streams for days. Sell tokens. Reward holders with NFTs. Take community donations. One report showed creators seeing 30% higher net revenue versus ads alone. But wait, there's drama. Token values can swing like a pendulum. And if your fave creator ghosts their community, cue token crash. Trust is everything here. Let's shout out two rock stars. Musician RAC launched RAC tokens back in 2020. Holders got unreleased tracks, voting rights, and even split royalties with him. The result? A loyal army that helped him go fully independent. Sports teams like FC Barcelona's Bar token let fans vote on jersey designs and stadium music. It's like fantasy football, but you earn real perks, and the team earns millions without selling a single ticket. See? It's not just crypto bros. It's artists, gamers, even your aunt's favorite crochet influencer. Where's this headed? Buckle up. AI meets tokens. Imagine bots managing token economies or curating content for holders. Mainstream explosion is coming because more no-code tools mean any creator can launch tokens. Yes, even you. Regulation roulette is real. Governments are eyeing this. Will tokens be taxed, restricted? Stay tuned. Biggest challenge, avoiding scams. If someone offers Snoop Dogg coin but Snoop's never heard of it, run. So here's the takeaway. Social tokens turn passive fans into active communities. Creators win with freedom and cash. Fans win with influence and access. It's a revolution, and you're invited. Subscribe for more deep dives. Next up, NFTs for cat memes. Yes, seriously. Drop your token questions below. Peace out.